Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to have some fun with English by talking about my dogs. We'll learn some useful vocabulary, phrases, and expressions related to pets and animals. Plus, you'll get to meet my furry friends. Meet my dogs. They are not just pets, they are part of my family. Let's start by learning some basic vocabulary related to dogs and pet care. First, let's go over some basic vocabulary words related to dogs. Dog, puppy, leash, collar, dog food, water bowl, bed, toy, treat. For example, this is my dog's leash, or I give my dogs treats when they behave well. Practicing these words with your own pets or even with pictures can help you remember them better. Next, let's talk about daily routines. Having pets involves a lot of different activities. Here are some common phrases and sentences you can use. I take my dogs for a walk every morning. They love to play with their toys. I feed them twice a day. A bath time can be a bit messy, but they need to stay clean. Should we visit the vet for regular checkups? Using these sentences in your daily conversations can help you practice and improve your English speaking skills. Training dogs involves giving them commands. Here are some common commands and phrases you might use when training a dog. Sit. A stay. A come here. A fetch. A good boy/girl. Training your dog not only helps them learn good behavior, but also gives you an opportunity to practice imperative sentences in English. Now, let's practice describing our pets. This is a great way to use adjectives and improve your descriptive skills in English. My dog is very playful and energetic. She has a soft, brown coat and big, expressive eyes. She is more relaxed and loves to cuddle. She enjoys lounging in the sun and getting belly rubs. Describing your pets can be a fun exercise to enhance your vocabulary and speaking fluency. Finally, let's wrap up with a short story about my dogs. Telling stories is a great way to practice your narrative skills in English. One day, dogs decided to explore the backyard together. They discovered a hidden corner filled with old toys and spent the whole afternoon playing. It was so much fun watching them enjoy themselves and make new discoveries. Storytelling helps you organize your thoughts and practice past tense verbs, which are essential for good English communication. Thank you for joining me today and meeting my wonderful dogs. I hope you enjoyed learning English with us and found these tips helpful. Don't forget to practice with your own pets or even with friends' pets. Like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. See you next time, and happy learning!